Hello guys, welcome to another video with me. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn free Toncoin. Now from this site I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn up to 1 ton every hour. Now if you are interested in any free Toncoin, make sure you stay tuned to the ending of this video. As you all know, I post updates on how you can earn free cryptocurrency and the best crypto investments that you can make on this channel. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Now the name of this platform is freetoncoin.in/faucet, and I'll be leaving the link in the comment section for those that will be interested in any free Toncoin with me. You can actually tap the link and check it out. Make sure you also join my free Telegram channel for more updates and also participate in the giveaways I do. Now once you registering on this particular platform is actually very easy. Once you have done the registration, all you have to do is verify your email so that you can get the bonus faucet. Now like the video I posted about the Tron, about earning Tron, this is the same way it goes for this platform, but I'll still be explaining for those who are just watching this video for the first time. Now to receive rewards from Ali Faucet, please you just have to fill the correct captcha and press the claim button. The amount of free Tron that you earn will depend on your level and paid out according to the table below. Now you can actually see I'm on the stone level, and if I scroll down here you can actually see that I get to earn 0.0002 ton every 1 hour in the stone level. Now if you are using the bonus faucet for 24 hours, you get to earn times 10 times 2 of whatever payout you are supposed to receive. So this 0.0002 ton, you are going to be earning 0.004 ton, and you are going to be having 10 spins. Now once you complete the 10 spins, you are going to be left with 0.004 ton, and you can actually use that to earn more ton. Now I'm going to be showing you guys now another way that you can earn ton apart from claiming the Ali Faucet, as you all know, is by taking surveys. Now you can actually see there's a survey for 0.28 USD and there's one for 0.14 USD. Though the amounts are little, but once you are able to complete these surveys, you get awarded this amount in Toncoin. Now you can actually use those Toncoin to play games, to wager on games, and actually increase your level. Now once your level increases, the amount of ton you'll be claiming every hour also increases. Now you can actually see the survey that is available. If you are eligible for the survey, all you have to do is tap on the survey. If you are eligible, you can actually complete the survey and the reward will be added to your balance. Now if I tap on the right top menu right here, you can actually see the faucet, the survey, and the games. Now if I tap on the games right here, these are the games, and you can actually use any amount of ton here you have in your balance to actually wager on any of these games. Now if you're experienced in any of these games, you can actually try them. Me for one, I love to play the Plinko games, and I also love to play the Lucky Wheel. Now all you have to do is wager an amount of Toncoin, and once you wager that amount of Toncoin, there are going to be multipliers according to the level of the games. Like for instance, if I tap on the Plinko game right here and I'm waiting for it to load, you can actually see the multipliers down here. You can see we have the 9x, 2.4x, 1.3x, 1.1x, all the way down to 0.5x. Now all you have to do is bet some amount of Toncoin right here. According to we have 3 levels, which is the low, medium, and high risk level. So the higher the level, the higher the risks and the higher the reward. Now all you have to do is bet some amount of Toncoin, and then if the ball falls in any of these multipliers, it gets multiplied into your balance. The more you wager, the more your level increases. Now there's also a contest going on this particular platform, and the contest is for those people that wager. Now you can see the contest ends in a day, 13 hours and 2 minutes. Now for those that make bets in the most games and those that refer more people into this platform, they get to be on the contest. Now you can see the top people in the contest, and you can see the reward that is given to each and every one of them. You can see the total amount they have wagered on this particular platform. Now so the more you wager on this platform, the more you go up in the numbers of this particular contest, and you get rewarded in turn. Now the last way you can actually earn from this platform is by affiliates. If you go and tap on the affiliate, you get to see that you get your unique referral link, which you can share on your social media platforms, and you can share to your friends and families. When they register using your referral link, whoever registers, you get to earn 50% of their faucet, hourly faucet. You get to earn 0.4% of whatever amount they wager in a bet, and you get to earn 5% of a completed survey. Now you can actually track your total referrals, your total earning, and your available commission balance, which can be withdrawn to your wallet. Now you can also make a deposit into this platform if you want to. Making a deposit is very easy. All you have to do is make sure you use the Ton network. You can see the wallet address given to you. All you have to do is copy this, and you can use this as your memo, or you scan this QR code and you can deposit any amount of Ton. You can deposit any amount of ton, and if you want to make a withdrawal, you can also make a withdrawal to your ton wallet. Now you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.2 ton. So once you have over 0.2 ton, you can actually make a withdrawal to your ton wallet address, and you'll be credited in no time. So basically that is all there is about this platform. There are settings here if you want to use them, if you want to change your password, if you want to impute a two-factor authentication, and you can also contact their customer service right here. If you're having any issue, you can open a ticket and send it to them and you'll be responded to. So basically that is all there is to this particular platform. Make sure you guys use this platform. Make sure you guys, I'll be posting more of these platforms so that you guys can use and actually earn from these platforms. Let me know what you think about this platform in the comment section, and make sure you also like this video so that this video can reach as many people so that they can also get this opportunity. So I'll be seeing you guys in another video with another review. Peace.